Hello, hello, and welcome to Gingerbread Farms. Today, I got an Amazon delivery that had these office chair upgrade wheels. I heard about these from Brian at the Lots Project, which he has a YouTube channel, the Lots Project, Lots Project. For the longest time, I couldn't find him because I thought it was the LOST Project. But check Brian out. These wheels came, he told me about them and I bought them through his affiliate link. Here we go. Lifelong, your total satisfaction is our #1 priority. We put considerable effort into ensuring we created the best office chair caster wheels on the planet. After a quick setup, we're positive you'll agree. If by some miracle you don't, we'll give you a full replacement for up to a year. That's nice. If you have any questions or comments, please reach out to us at one of the following, and it's their customer service information. And we open these up. Let's see what we have. We have 5 wheels in individual bags. And there we go. Hopefully they will fit my chair, which is right over here. What I have is, I've had this office chair for a while, and these casters will destroy carpet. I have 2 of these IKEA mats that are, supposed to protect the carpet, but they're all cracking and falling apart now. So I'm hoping changing to the rollerblade casters will make it so I don't need those. I'll keep them for a while until they completely start falling apart. But first I'm going to pull all the wheels off of this chair. And then we go get the other wheels. Right here. And they're a little bit of a tighter fit. Let's hope they fit. Oh, there it goes. That would have been embarrassing. I'll keep the old caster wheels. Don't be surprised if they make it into another project. So, here we go. And it actually rolls on the carpet. Let's take it over. Oh, and it rolls super fast on the IKEA mats here. It sits a little higher, but my feet are still on the ground. Corey. That's a joke with the Lots Project. His wife is named Corey, and they had a chair issue recently. Yeah, it sits a little higher now, but I'm okay with that. I will make it work. Check out Brian and Corey at the Lots Project. My 3D printer right now is printing some cable winders, and my freeze dryer's not doing anything right now. So, have a good day, and thank you for visiting Gingerbread Farms.